Hey, hi to everyone. MEM School of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, online classes, subject Mechatronics, unit number 5, actuators and mechatronics system design. So in this unit, last class we discussed about stepper motor and servo motor. So now we are going to discuss about the mechatronics design process. Okay, we have unconventional, that is old concept of mechatronic system design and new concept of mechatronic design. Like that, we are going to discuss in this chapter. So, mechatronics, the standard EEC definition of mechatronics is the working together used specifically of groups as subsidiary of cooperations cooperating for an enhanced effect. So integration of mechanical engineering with the electronics and the intelligent computer control in the design and manufacture of products and processes. The implement concept here is synergy. So that is the final products is more than just the sum of its part. It have it has new level of performance. It has dramatic improvement. It has operate in ways which would have been impossible to investigate history. So this is the design flow of mechatronic system design. First, we need to recognize the need. Okay, இப்போ நான் வந்து ஒரு கார் டிசைன் பண்ண போறேன் அப்படின்னா, so what is the need of car, like that we need to discuss. We need to define. That means uh, how many peoples can car accommodate, how many peoples we are going to define the how many seats available. Okay, so what is the capacity of tank, what is the capacity of engine, like that we need to define. We need to get the uh, data, that is information from the consumer. Okay, that is recognition of the need. Then only we will go for the process. Then we need to analyze the marketing process, whether if I manufacture this car, so whether it will be useful in the marketing, whether it will be uh, sales in the marketing, like that we need to define. Okay, this is the second concept. Okay, first we are recognized, then we are research in the marketing aspects. Then specifications of devices. Okay, that is specification of devices. Which devices we are going to use for this application, like that we are going to discuss. Okay, so that is, uh, for example, if you are using a seat size, seat means, so what is the size of the seat? What is the leather used in the seat, like that we need to define the specifications. Okay, then creative design synthesis. That is, it will be unique to product other than the other cars, because they can manufacture same car as the same design. It will be make less running in the market. So into define the creative concept design. Okay, as well as cost effective design. So this is the creative design synthesis. So this process, they analyze the total cost of the car. So what is the market rate of the car? If a sales 20% means what will happen? So like that we need to synthesize the data through the simulations. Then preliminary design and development. First we need to define the demo car for the, so demo for the particular product, that is preliminary design and development. Then detailed design. So after getting the feedback and specifications, engineering feedback, we can define the sorry detailed design of the car or product. Okay, that is every minute values will be stored in the detailed design. Then prototype building and testing. That is the one car manufacturing prototype. Then it will be used in the testing concept. Then design for protection. Okay, till now we have defined the theoretical concept, like that. That is what it is. We have prototype. We have different values, like that we have. So after that we are going for design for protection. Then product release. Then product release. Okay, after that we will design the product release. Then it will given to the marketing feedback. It will given to the marketing feedback. So this is the design flow of diagram. that is mechatronic system design. Use of the plane of possibilities in product design project. So this is define the whole things available in the market. Okay, that is a three-way communication between the manufacturer, consumer, then developer, like that we need to define. That is customer needs, that is converted to function, that function synthesis, then it is given to the different areas, that is mechanical, electronic, control. So three areas we need to discuss. Then they are using the alternative technology or alternative sub solutions, or they are defined the some possibilities, like that they will define, then evaluate, then manufacture, then product. This is the concept of mechatronic system design. So this is the simplified model of mechatronics design process. That is control unit. We are giving input. So them set displays, control. So inputs are sensors, actual sensors. So outputs are actuators and machines. So mechatronics product design, team organization models, that is cooperative of specialists. So mechatronics facilitator, finished models, then T-type generators, the Japanese model. Okay, that means they have in first cooperative specialists, they have mechanical, electrical, and software. So these team members will discuss about the process. So after that, they are using the common criteria with the mechanical, electronic, and software. So these are the concept used in this mechatronic system design for the particular product, not only car. For any mechanical devices controlled by the electronic component will be used in the mechatronic system design process. So this is a modeling simulation types of processing, then prototyping, then deployment life cycle. In modeling simulation, we have recognition of the read, so conceptual design and functional specification, first principle modeler and mathematic modeling, then sensors and actuator selection, so detailed modulator mathematic modeling, then control system design, then design optimization. So these are the process done in the modeling and simulation. நான் கம்ப்யூட்டர்லேயே டிசைன் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா எனக்கு இது எல்லாமே தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். தென் ப்ரோட்டோடைப்பிங். ஸோ ப்ரோட்டோடைப்பிங்னா அந்த சாஃப்ட்வேர் என்ன பண்ணுறோம், we are given to the simulator, then we are analyzing the time taken. So for example, if you are designing the pick and place robot means, if you are giving simulation program to the simulator, that simulator check whether this will be capable of carrying how much weight, so like that it will be defined. Then design optimization produce the requirements of the hardware and software, like that they will define. That is deployment of embedded system and the life cycle optimization process. That means how much duration it will work. For example, if you are you design the brake, electronic brake means you need to define the life cycle of electronic brake. If you define the electronic switch means you need to define the life cycle. So that means then only we can give the warranty to the particular product. Okay. So these are the mechatronic system design process and mechatronic design. And in previous conditions, so previous mechatronics design process, that is they are using the simple controller. So simple motor controlled with the switches. In the early 90s and 1960 and 70s, they control the mechanical conveyor belts using the switches. Okay, if I press the one switch means it will go in the forward direction. If I press in the another key means it will rotate in the reverse direction, like that. They are used in the mechatronics design process. In 1980s, they are using the sensors for mechatronics design process. So nowadays they are using the artificial intelligence for the mechatronic design. That means that the intelligence will produce the output. Okay, whether it is working or not, like that we can define. Okay, so mechatronic system design is the design which is required for the fully execution, because in a car, if there is any fault means we cannot identify through the some devices. So we need to know the sensor feedback. That feedback we need to get. So we need to define the network between the all the sensors like that. So these are the common process of the electronic mechatronic system design process. I hope you all know about the mechatronic system design. Okay, so we'll see in the next class. Thank you all.